So then the air just comes in both of these and it goes choo 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 choo. Right here, obviously, the baddest one probably we have today is this beautiful Fox body. This thing brings back memories when I was in high school. We did a full paint correction on this thing, and then my guys slapped on a ceramic Expel fusion coating, making this black look perfect again, and ready for this guy to run down the racetrack looking great. Over here, Caleb's doing his magic with his light out, checking the paint. We're doing a premium 8-year Expel coating on this beautiful black Dodge Ram. The paint's a little beat up. Caleb's gonna go over it and get all this micro scratches out of it, and then he's gonna slap the coating on it. Over in the wash bay, Steven and Max just got done doing a full front end on this brand new C8. This got protected with the paint protection film for any rocks or damages going like that from daily driving. It's the full front bumper, hood, both fenders and mirrors. We're washing it off so we can give it back to the customer nice and clean. Beside us is this blue Ferrari. This is in for kind of a little different. Ferrari's known for their sticky buttons. This customer came in, we're gonna take all the buttons off of it. They get like this weird texture on it where your finger actually sticks on it. So there's a company called Sticky Buttons where we'll send the buttons to and they'll redo them so no longer get stuck when you're touching them. Over in the tint bay, one of my favorite SUVs, it was between this and my Volkswagen before I bought that, but is this beautiful gray Telluride. The customer bought this and the tint wasn't dark enough. So we were going over the factory tint in the back and then matching the front with a 5 and a visors at 5 as well, making this totally private and looking great. So this TRX, we're doing a full 8 mil wrap on this and then following it up with an 8-year premium coating. So he's getting the works. This Santa Fe is coming in. Terrell's gonna tint it, I think, later today after lunch, and we're just gonna do tint the whole way around, just like the Telluride. They just want a little bit more privacy than stock. Beside is a Porsche. This is actually curing from the body shop. Once it's ready, we're gonna do a full track package on that. That's it from the LATROBE shop. Let's kick it over to Gibsonia and see what my boys are doing.
Welcome to Gibsonia. It's What's in the Shop Wednesday. We have this frozen berry Tycon. It's just its 2-week checkup, so we just did some 2-week checkup stuff for it. It stayed overnight. They'll come pick it up probably tomorrow. Next we have Porsche Macan. From our friends over at Swickley Porsche. We did some PPF and ceramic coating on that car. Turned out really well. I think this is our first Maserati in quite some time. This one right here. We did correction and coating on this for our good customer we've done a bunch of cars for, so we appreciate the trust that he gives us on that. It turned out really nice, some really nice metallic in it. Almost looks like a navy and a gray, so Mark did some really good work on that. We like that. Nice accent, the yellow calipers and stitching on the inside. So it's pretty rad. There's a white C8, have in for an annual check. One of the most important parts of that ceramic coating is making sure we're doing the upkeep and making sure it's holding up well and doing those annual checks to make sure it stays nice. Next is track package on a black C8. Getting those high impact places that we like to make sure that we hit on these cars, and then obviously in the front. So this one will get picked up. Another customer has done some good work with us in the past. He's gonna pick it up tomorrow. So it turned out really nice. We don't see a lot of these in black, so it's nice to see you know, even though it's a flat color, but black. Mark here's working on a track package on a Tesla for a new customer. Totally new to PPF, totally new to ceramic coating. So I think he'll be very pleased with the protection he's gonna receive and hopefully how easy he finds it is to wash. We stole Aaron this week from LATROBE. Word on the street they were getting tired of his attitude, so we decided to bring him out here. And Steve working on this, I think it's called Melbourne Red BMW M240. We do a good bit of these BMWs. This color is kind of cool. It's nice, something different to see. So we're doing a full front clip on this one. Get the protection that we're after. I'm not sure we talked about this before. It's a Lamborghini Gallardo we have in for some work. Ripping PPF off, putting more PPF on. This would be a cool one to work on. I don't know what all we're gonna do. I think we're gonna decide on that once we get all the PPF off of it. So that's all we have today here in Gibsonia. Send it off to Miami.
What's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Let's go ahead inside and see what we're working on today. Today in the PPF station, we have this lovely 2024 Corvette Z06 C8. It's going to be doing the full PPF protection all the way around. It's also going to be getting fresh tints, ceramic of course, keep out that heat. And then once we're done with the PPF, we'll be going and finishing it with the fusion coating. It's getting a 4-year coating. She's going to be shining, protected, and looking good. Keep your eyes peeled for this baby in Orlando. She will be terrorizing the streets up there for sure.